instantaneous. The simultaneity of electronic connections, transfers, and balancings in a macro-level penetration and a micro-level penetration of individuals. Entertainment and convenience. Escapism. Taste the sounds. Taste the sounds of golden hammers pounding, knowing blue diamond anvils of lead shuddering in echoes, dancing through purple stirrups of desire, strained eyes, listening, heartaches of silver thread rhythms, horsepower, money stallions conducting copper winds, Da light and midnight dreams racing across magic mounds, teasing cash cows breathing through muffled harps, grazing on fashion pastures in an ongoing opera of emptiness, currents without conscience, megacorp tsunamis of emotional time travel, passages of flickering lights. Where are the red boxes of fire lifting up silky legs over breaking eggs? Who owns your passion? Wildcats of fury lost in licking their own wombs, pitching sounds and catchy phrases. Sucked up media treadmill of taste, just a taste. The sounds are all around. Just taste them. Heightened suggestibility, flowing through waves, the alternating attraction and resistance to gravity, the basic movement patterns of nature, the conquest of death through perpetual rebirth, the continuing line of the wave. The power of ultrasound blocks out memory of the moment, stops time for the duration of its use. In effect, it controls nothing and demands savant-like marshalling to redirect and maintain the intention of the spirit, the anguish, agony, effort, and discipline, the suffering, the patience of Job to achieve or accomplish one's job and produce one's own work, the authentic resonance of the self, presence, the in-state, the out-of-state, the power of the state, the statement, the assertion, the state of mind.
What shall we
People try to combat alienation by immediacy, such as the senses alone provide. Alienation in turn derives from a loss of faith in the reasonableness of a society's purpose. The unconscious always tries to produce an impossible situation in order to force the individual to bring out his very best. Otherwise, one stops short of one's best. One is not complete. One does not realize oneself. What is needed is an impossible situation where one has to renounce one's own will and do nothing but trust in the impersonal power of growth and development. The faith and the hope and the love are all in the waiting, for the darkness shall be the light and the stillness the dancing. Only when the ego has no more power, when our normal ways of trying to make things better fail, can something else appear to redeem us. To wait. Something has to die for something new to be born.